Never have I ever thought about changing super hair pieces for another company. Dun, dun, dun. Hey, Tara here, and we are with the infamous Rick Douglas. Can you play a game of Never Have I Ever? So have you played the game before?
I don't think so.
Oh, well, too bad. You got to play anyway. So how this game works, we have some like interesting questions in the box. If you have had this experience, you will raise your little, gotta hold it, raise your little sign that says I have and explain the situation. If you have not, you will say I have not, and then we go from there. So, first question. Never have I ever used a school glue to attach my hair system. You have not?
I have not.
Oh, thank goodness.
Elmers.
No Elmers. No Elmers. Because, guys, it is not the same thing. Okay, so question number 2. Never have I ever ripped the base of my system.
I take the 5th.
Oh, gotta answer the question. Okay, explain what happened.
So it was time to redo the system, so I'm taking it off, and it's still stuck pretty good. So I think, oh, it's coming off, and I pull it off. I get to the back, it's kind of stuck to the hair, and I just pull it off. And when I do, I have this big rip in the back of it. That's a real sick feeling, actually. Yeah. So I've done that a couple of times.
Okay, so what do we have next? Never have I ever gone to a special event or occasion without wearing my hair system.
Dang.
You have not.
I have not.
Always wear it.
Oh, The only time I don't have it on is the night once a week that I sleep without it to do a reinstall. But if you see me any other time, this boy got hair on his head.
Never have I ever colored your hair system.
I have.
Okay, tell us.
Yeah, well, it was back in the very early days of hair systems, and it kind of was faded. Plus, the color was too light. It wasn't blending very well around the sides, so I kind of did a low light situation on it.
Oh.
Yeah, worked too.
Okay, so never have I ever damaged a hair system with no backup.
Oh boy.
Really? I'm surprised.
Okay, you didn't see me try to glue 2 together?
Oh, yes, I have.
Yep.
Yeah.
That was pretty much a nightmare. It sort of worked, actually. I said it worked, but it sort of worked. Yeah.
Yeah.
Put the front of one with the back of another.
Yeah.
It's like, ding.
Okay, what do we have here? Never have I ever thought about changing super hair pieces for another company. Dun, dun,
Where's the
dun.
I have not.
Oh, good. See, I didn't have to kick you out.
There needs to be an and I will not.
Oh, that'd be nice. That's nice. Well, thank you for that. We love the fact that you are so loyal. Okay. Never have I ever put glue on my bio hair while installing a system.
I have, but I have many times.
Oh!
Yeah, and it's a big pain. It's a big pain in the butt to do that.
How do you get it off?
Well, that's how I ripped the system.
Oh.
Yeah, because it's stuck to the natural hair because the glue's in the natural hair. So when I tried to take it off, that doesn't want to come off. And so I'm going in, oh, it hurt. So, yeah, and it ripped it. So, yeah, I have a few times.
Never have I ever put a system on crooked.
I have, but not just crooked, but I put it on completely backwards.
Oh,
one time.
fun.
Yeah, that was, but here's the funny thing about it. It kind of still worked.
Oh, it still looked good. So
the only problem is it hung down real far in the back.
Yeah.
You know, because I was leaving the front. I don't really know how I was doing that. It was early in the morning and I was in a hurry, and you know, I can do this really fast, and I'm gonna slip it back, and I thought, something does not look right. I kind of look like the Beatles, but it was okay.
Never have I ever used somebody else's hair system.
Gross.
You have?
No!
Oh my gosh, that's so good.
That's like wearing somebody else's underwear.
Yeah,
No, not doing that.
I'm happy for you. I'm glad you have not. I mean, you gave me a shot. I'm like, oh, I'm like the conspiracy of it all. No. Okay, good. Okay, never have I ever hid the fact that you wore a system.
Well, you should know me well enough by now to know the answer to that is I have not.
Very open about it.
I could care less.
So never have I ever traveled and forgotten my supplies at home.
I have not, because it's pretty important to me, right?
Never have I ever, gotten solvent in my eyes.
I have, not a picnic.
Oh.
No, that's not funny.
Yeah, definitely
Rinse it out
not.
and, no, not good.
So obviously, any tips for people on how to maybe avoid that?
Yeah, don't get solvent in your eyes.
Okay, guys, so don't get solvent in your eyes. I think I know the answer to this one, but I'm going to say it anyway. Never have I ever worn a system for more than 5 weeks without a maintenance.
More than how long?
5 weeks. I'm not, yes. Which maximum amount of time you kept a system on for, Rick?
I have done it for 2 weeks one time.
Okay.
And it was in the winter, so it wasn't so hot because, I'm from Texas and we've had a summer of like day after day after day of 118 degrees. And so it was in the winter, so my head, as I've said, is super oily, and then I'm sweating as well. And so I just wanted to see how long I could actually make it go. But I will say the last 3 days, for me, I could pretty much slide it around.
Never have I ever, had a system come off during extreme activities. You have not. Oh, phew, okay.
Yeah. No,
Okay. No issues. No issues
I
there.
ride a motorcycle. I've been in the beach and in the ocean, and it was really a test for me. First time we went to the ocean, I had a Hairsystem on. I was out and literally rolling around the waves, getting knocked under. It was hitting me in the head, the whole 9 yards. And I got out and I still look fine.
And last question.
Oh,
Never have I ever woke up without a system on.
you mean go to bed with
Yeah,
one
and then
without
woke
one?
out. Yeah. No,
No,
have
sorry,
not.
have
Yeah. Aw, boring. I'm
I
just.
know, I can't help it. What can I say when you're perfect?
What can you do?
Yeah.
But anyway, Rick, that was amazing. Thank you so much for playing the game
That
with
was
us.
fun.
To everyone watching, thanks so much for joining. Thanks, Rick, for joining. And you know what? It's the Super Hair Pieces. Come and see us. We can help you out. Have yourselves a good one. Bye for now.